Hey guys, this is Shalise and I'm here today with my VoxBox for this month. I got the CHANGS VoxBox and it came with the sesame sauce. So I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but let's see what I can come up with. I'm thinking some wings or something, but I don't know. Let's see. I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, so I've decided to do some wings today because this is the easiest thing I can do and the most fun thing I can do. So this to get a couple of things all taken care of at one time. So for the wings, I have wing parts in here. They were frozen. I've thawed them. They are now in here. I think there's about 7 of them. I'm going to add some garlic salt to the bowl. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. Now this is how I season all of my wings before I cook them and add them to any kind of sauce. It just seems to work with everything, and I mean, why not just keep it simple? So I'm going to go ahead and stir this. I'm going to get my air fryer ready, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my air fryer basket ready here, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some coconut oil. So let me get that because I forgot to get it, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I went ahead and sprayed the air fryer with coconut oil spray. Use whatever you can find. It's pretty much all the same. So I'm going to put in my seasoned, one at a time it appears, my seasoned chicken wings, because they don't want to pick up more than one at a time. They don't want to pick up at all, but that's fine. I'm going to put them in one at a time. There we go. And once we have this in here, I'm going to air fry them at 380 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now you want to check them halfway and turn them, or I just normally stir them up and that works just fine. So, you know, have a little bit of space between them so they can get some air, and put them in the air fryer. Let me go ahead and take you over there. Alright, so it is in my air fryer now. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to turn the temp up to 380 degrees. And I like to, even though it's supposed to be in there for 25 minutes, I like to go ahead and just set it for half the time. So actually we're going to go to 13 minutes because that way it'll let me know when it's done. Then I can stir them and everything and put them in for another 12 minutes or so, maybe 13 at 280 degrees, and then go ahead and let it go. So once that is ready to be stirred or flipped, I will be back and let you see what our progress is. Alright, so the air fryer is done. This is half the time, so I'm going to go ahead and just stir these around. They're going to get a little stuck together, a little stuck at the bottom, but that's fine. Alright, so they look done, but they're not. Don't try to eat them right now. It's not going to work. Well, it'll work, but you'll get really sick. So go ahead and put these back in for another, let's see, I think I did 13 minutes. So we're going to do 380 for another 12 minutes. And let those continue to cook. Okay, so the air fryer is done, and these are the chicken wings. So we're going to go ahead and mix those with some of the sesame, P.F. Chang's sesame sauce in this bowl, and I will let you know how it comes out at the end. Okay, so this is how I have it. You don't need very much of the sauce to cover the wings, so I just put a little bit at the bottom. And I was trying to do this with one hand, but I don't think it's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and put them all in here and show you what it looks like after they're all in. All right, so I have them all in here. I am mixing them in a little bit of sauce. Like I said, it really doesn't take much to coat these. So let me go ahead and finish doing that with both hands, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is how they look all coated, and they look delicious, and I can't wait to try one. Let me go ahead and do that. Those are fantastic. So, sorry, I'm licking my fingers. So, these are delicious as wings. I'm pretty sure they would be delicious as stir-fry and everything too. But with my diet, I'm pretty low carb. Now, this P.F. Chang's isn't necessarily low carb. I mean, here's the info on it. It does have 7 grams of carbs in it and sugar, so it's not necessarily low carb, but I mean, if you just want to treat yourself and have some wings that are Asian, you know, sweet, spicy type flavor, this is what you go for. So this is the P.F. Chang's Sesame sauce. If it wasn't good, girl, I would tell you it wasn't good, but this is delicious. So I'm really excited about this. I'm excited for when I, you know, am completed with my low-carb diet to try this and some other stuff. Or to just try it with the family, because this is absolutely delicious. So definitely go out and get a bottle. Try it with some stuff. Let me know what you have tried it with or what recipes you've come up with. And I'll talk to you soon.